Every AI tool you have tried wanted to become the place your work lives. Claude Cowork does the opposite, and that is the whole point. You have been burned before. You poured your stuff into a platform, it got good, you got dependent, and then the price moved or the tool changed and you were stuck. So your guard is up. It should be. You are right to protect that, so here is how this actually works. What we set up with you, your workspace, your memory, your connected tools, is not sitting on our server behind our login. It is files in folders on your own computer. You can open them, you can change them, you can move them somewhere else entirely. If you ever want to leave, you take all of it and go. Nothing gets held hostage. That is what it looks like to run AI on your own terms instead of renting a seat in someone else's. The operators doing this own the setup. They are not locked into it. We help you build it, and it is yours to keep either way. Join the first wave at coworkacademy.com.